So how do you create a shared album on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, you can go ahead and open up your settings app as usual and tap on your name at the top of the list, which is like your profile section. Then you can proceed to the iCloud and check out your photos situation like that. So you can see we can sync this iPhone, meaning that we enable the backup of every single photo. But at the bottom, we can also enable the shared albums. So you can see that when this is turned on, we can create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's shared albums. So this is the first prerequisite that we need to have, or the toggle that needs to be turned on for us to proceed. Then we can, of course, go to the Photos app like that, go to the collections where you can find the albums. And of course, at the top, we have the personal, activity, and shared in the middle. So you can tap on start sharing and you can basically just set up a brand new shared album, right? So you added the participants right there, so you can look someone up from your contacts or whatever. But in here, you can give the title to the album and of course choose the photos which are going to be there. And yeah, as you could tell, this option was not available here before. When we turned on the shared albums, it was first when it showed up. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next videos and tutorials like this, and I'll talk to you soon.